fighter?
सर एक फाइटर को बनाने में तैयार करने में कितना टाइम लगता है?
माशाल्लाह से मैंने काफ़ी फ़ाइटर तैयार किया, अच्छा फैजान में भी जीत कर आया, मुजाहिद बेग नाम है उसका, अफ़गानिस्तान में भी। तो सबसे पहले ये भी मेरे स्टूडेंट है माशाल्लाह से, इसने भी काफ़ी फ़ाइटें जीता हुआ है।
Tell me about yourself.
उर्दू बोले तारीफ करो।
मेरा नाम रिजवान अहमद है। मैं
You are the main translator.
His name is Rizwan and he works at a bookstore. I know him, so I'm adding a little bit to his introduction.
एक यही ख्वाहिश है कि मैं एक अच्छा फाइटर बन जाऊं और
This is our classmate. So what's your name, brother?
जलाल खान।
Jahan, about your background. So try to speak in English. Hi guys, welcome back here again. This is my official TikTok account for speaking English. So today I'm here in the Safari Park. So we are little bit discuss about sports. So here is our teammate. So he is introduce himself.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shirbaz Khan, and it's good to be part of Mr. Asif's vlog today.
Thank you so much. So we are discuss little bit about sport. Today is morning time. So we are our team is behind us. So there is lots of training. So what do you think about today class?
I think it was a great class today, alhamdulillah, and I especially enjoyed the sparring you guys were doing. There was a lot to learn over there. I got to um, do some body shot boxing.
Yeah.
So alhamdulillah, that was a great experience, and it's always great to come up out here in the mornings and train with my training brothers.
Yes. How many months you studying here? Like how many months you do it here and training in morning class?
I've been training with Sir Coach Moibullah since
You can show him.
it was like I joined in 3G MMA, that gym. That was like probably, I think it's been a year, almost a year now, or 9 or 10 months maybe, that I've been training for MMA, wrestling, all of these things. So alhamdulillah, I've gotten a lot better than when I once started. Alhamdulillah.
Mashallah, mashallah. Dago, he is training here to MMA. So which move and which part do you like the most? Like dribbling, wrestling, and striking. Which part do you like the most?
So at the moment, I think I need to work on my wrestling because I feel like punching and kicking, there's not a lot of moves that you need to learn. I mean, it's pretty basic things, and you can survive if you know the basics. But if you talk about wrestling, so there's a lot of vocabulary, I would say, that goes with wrestling. There are a lot of different moves, how to get out of a certain lock, how to apply a certain lock. So at the time when you're fighting, there's a lot of pressure, and
Exactly.
it becomes hard to remember all of those things. So I think that's something that I struggle with. Otherwise, it's a slow journey. We're learning. We're all learning. Even if you become really good at something, there's always something to learn.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. Basically, MMA is just not name of MMA. Is a lot of things combined together, so it's called MMA. Like boxing, judo, wrestling, and this all combined together means MMA. So if we are MMA fighters, so we need to learn everything like MMA, wrestling, judo, boxing, kickboxing. This all the part of MMA. So here's a coach. You are talking to coach. He is not speaking English, so but we are trying to translate by Shervaz Bhai. So little bit ask with coach. You can translate in English. So let's move to coach. Let's go. So guys, we are here with coach Muhibullah Siraju. So we are talking about today class. First of all, I will to talk to Sherbaz brother. So you can ask to coach how is your training and how your training do to with your student. How you feel like that.
सर आप ट्रेनिंग कैसे एंजॉय करते हैं? ट्रेनिंग में आप क्या कराते हैं और आप अपने स्टूडेंट्स के बारे को, मतलब आपका एक ख़ास क्या तरीका है स्टूडेंट्स को सिखाने का?
सबसे पहले अस्सलाम वालेकुम। बस हम लोग ट्रेनिंग देने का मकसद सिर्फ यही कि बच्चे जो ना फिट रहे, फिटनेस में सही रहे। और आजकल के दौर आप देख रहे हो कैसे हालत ख़राब चल रहा है। तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि हर बंदा अपनी मेहनत लगे रहे, मेहनत करे और यहाँ पे सुबह-सुबह जो अपनी ट्रेनिंग करे नमाज़ पढ़ने के बाद। तो मैं यही उम्मीद करता हूँ कि सारे बच्चे जो है ना अपने सेहत का ख़्याल रखें।
So it's for him, it's a lot about training because a lot of the youth is involved in various bad habits and bad things. So it's better to train in the morning after your Fajr namaz. You come here, you train, and be involved in something that's much more healthy and productive.
So, Sherwal brother, you can ask to coach how many months take to make a fighter.
सर एक फाइटर को बनाने में तैयार करने में कितना टाइम लगता है?
असल में वो फाइटर्स के ऊपर है। कुछ फाइटर जो है ना ज़्यादा दिलचस्पी रखता है, टाइम निकालता है, मेहनत करता है ना, तो वो जल्दी तैयार हो सकता है। कुछ लोग होता है ना सिर्फ़ वो कहने के बाद है कि मैं फाइटर बनूँगा, ये करूँगा, वो करूँगा, लेकिन उस तरह नहीं होता। बोलने से कुछ नहीं होगा। तो उसको टाइम निकालना है, आना है, ट्रेनिंग करना है। तो इंशाल्लाह 6 महीने भी हो सकता है, साल में भी हो सकते हैं। इस तरह साल जितना ट्रेनिंग करते रहेगा ना इसका गेम अच्छा बनते रहेगा।
So he says that it completely depends on the fighter himself. If they're willing, if they're disciplined, it could take 6 months, it could take 8 months, it could take a year. So if they stay consistent and they keep coming and they keep showing up, so it's all upon the fighter. It's not just he doesn't have a magic spell basically to train you. You have to put in the work.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Basically, you can little bit ask about coach background. He is MMA fighter, kickboxing. Which game? I basically we are no because we are student of Ustad. So little bit ask to coach how many years he doing the same training, like which sport he is most like and which part he like the most.
सर आपका मार्शल आर्ट में क्या बैकग्राउंड है और कितने अरसे से वैसे तो हम जानते हैं कि आप जो है हमें पढ़ा रहे हैं वहाँ पे स्टूडेंट हैं लेकिन सबको बताने के लिए और आपकी कौन सी मार्शल आर्ट्स थी और आप कितने अरसे से ये कर रहे हैं काम?
अच्छा, मेरा जो है ना बैकग्राउंड सबसे पहले मेरा केमफुतवा था, जो मैं अपने वालिद साहब से ट्रेनिंग लेता
So
था।
he says he started from kung fu and he used to train with his father.
उसकी मतलब मेरे बैकग्राउंड स्टैंड अप गेम था, जैसे कि किक बॉक्सिंग था, बॉक्सिंग था और मुay थाई।
He started with kickboxing and Muay Thai because these are the stand-up games.
और वक्त के साथ साथ जो है ना हर चीज़ चेंजेस भी आ रहा है, तब्दील हो रहा है। तो जब से एमएमए आया हम लोगों ने अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह एमएमए तकरीबन 15 साल हो रहे हैं एमएमए में ट्रेनिंग दे रहा हूँ।
And as the time went by, there were developments in the martial arts industry. So MMA came into the scene. And he's been training in MMA and coaching since 15 years.
माशाल्लाह से मैंने काफ़ी फ़ाइटर तैयार किया, अच्छा खासा फ़ाइटर भी बना, इंटरनेशनल फ़ाइटर और अज़रबैजान में भी जीत कर आया। मुजाहिद बेग नाम है उसका, अफ़गानिस्तान में भी उसका फ़ाइट था, कुछ हालात की वजह से नहीं जा पाया, तो इसका एक और फ़ाइट भी है। तो सबसे पहले ये भी मेरे स्टूडेंट है माशाल्लाह से, इसने भी काफ़ी फ़ाइटें जीता हुआ है। तो अभी भी फ़ाइट कर रहा है, ट्रेनिंग कर रहा है, लेकिन हालात को देख के मैं इसको सपोर्ट इतने कर रहा हूँ, बस ट्रेनिंग दे रहा हूँ, बाकी ये खुद मेहनत कर रहे हैं हर जगह पे पहुँचने के लिए।
So he's been training a lot of fighters both locally and internationally, and he's also trained people, especially from Azerbaijan, and his fighters have gone to fight there as well. And so one of his main fighters, one of his big fighters, is Mujahid Beg, and as well as brother Asif here. So they're all his students. We're all his students. MashaAllah.
Yeah, this is our team. So first of all, we are introduce our all team. So first of all, introduce yourself. So little bit about your background and little about like this. What are you doing?
So Alhamdulillah, I'm just here for like I'm basically a designer. I mainly work with computers, designing on the desk. So this is a great way for me to come and train and stay fit. So martial arts is a new thing for me. Alhamdulillah, with Sir Mohib's coaching, he's taken it. He takes you according to your own level. So I find it easy to train with him as compared to some other coaches.
Yeah, yeah, thank you. First of all, we are to ask him what is your name, brother.
My name is Rizwan Ahmed.
Rizwan. So he's the Rizwan. He's not speaking very well English, but English is not our mother tongue. So we are just trying to speak. So little bit, tell me about yourself.
उर्दू बोले
बोलो उर्दू में अपनी तारीफ करा।
मेरा नाम रिजवान अहमद है। मैं काम करता हूँ। उसके बावजूद भी उस्ताद हमें अच्छी कोचिंग देता है। हम यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग कर रहे होते हैं, सारे लड़कों के साथ मिलते हैं। उस्ताद हमें अच्छी ट्रेनिंग देता है। इंशाल्लाह मेहनत करेंगे, आगे जाके कामयाबी लाएंगे।
So you can translate. You are the main translator.
His name's Rizwan, and he works at a bookstore. I know him, so I'm adding a little bit to his introduction. So he works at a bookstore, and he comes here to train. He's, mashallah, very hardworking, and he enjoys training with Sir Coach Mohibullah.
Yeah, thank you. This is what's your name, brother?
माय नेम इज राशिद
Yeah.
और मेरा यही रिकॉर्ड यही ख्वाहिश है कि मैं एक अच्छा फाइटर बन जाऊं और आईएफटी में इंशाल्लाह फाइट करूं और अच्छा उस्ताद का नाम रोशन करूं।
Inshallah.
So he says that his name's Rashid, and he aims to be a really good fighter, and he's aiming to win in the IFT, inshallah, with the coaching of Coach Mohibullah.
Yeah, thank you. This is our classmate. So what's your name, brother?
जलाल खान।
Yeah, Han. What do you background? So little about your background. So try to speak in English.
हमसे बहुत तकरीबन 10 साल से पहले शुरू हो गए, अभी तक इंशाल्लाह हम लोग एक हिस्सा है सुबह सुबह इंशाल्लाह अच्छा लोग।
So he's been his name's Jalal Khan, and he's been training since 10 years with Coach Mohibullah, and he's one of the most senior people here. And he says that he enjoys training in the mornings, and it's a great way to stay fit.
Yeah, thank you. So it's time to introduce myself. My name is Asif Khan. So you can say Asif Khan MMA. So we are just making a video for our team. So you can follow and share with your team. So he's a Pakistani sportsman. So you need to support. Basically, is we are already make this video in Urdu language, but we are trying to our vlog in English. So basically, the outside of the country, a lot of people watching us, like Dubai, Azerbaijan, and this US, UK, this type of country watching us. So we need to speak English to tell another country people. So we are just practicing, and at the moment we have uh, not a special place for training, but we are inshallah one day will come. So we make a beautiful place for our training. Little with us with coach. So tell me about yourself, coach.
अच्छा, मैं सबसे पहले आप लोगों को बताना चलो, आसिफ खान जैसे कि स्पोर्टमैन भी है, यूट्यूबर भी है, आप लोगों की खिदमत में बहुत सारे वीडियोस बना रहे हैं, खिदमत कर रहे हैं, मेहनत कर रहे हैं, कुछ सिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। तो आए हम सब इसको लाइक करेंगे, कमेंट करेंगे, सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, ताकि इसका वीडियो और आगे जाए। तो इंशाल्लाह कुछ अपने यूट्यूब का चैनल, इसका नाम इसके मुँह से सुने आप लोग।
Asif X Spider, our YouTube channel.
So coach says that you should follow Mr. Asif here, brother Asif here, because he's been he's doing a lot of good work in terms of sharing this content that he like this current video that he's making, and he's a great fighter himself, and he wants and he's working hard for you guys so that you can learn some self-defense techniques, and he's trying to push the message of MMA forward. So do support him, do like his channel, and yeah. So brother Asif, do you have something to say?
Thank you so much for watching. So we are coming back with another video. So that's video for today. You are need to support us, and you need to share our video. So we are just speaking English to the another country, for another country people. So our country people also watching us, and other country people is watching also. So good. So but I trying to my best speak in fluent. So that's a part of our my journey. So thank you so much for watching. See you to the another video. Goodbye.